How to outrun inflation, even on a fixed income? Inflation is like a slow thief. It steals a little more from you every month. But what if you could outrun it, even if your income is fixed? I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grand and great grandmother who learned firsthand how dangerous inflation can be when your retirement income stays the same. Within just 2 years, my cost of living jumped by over 19%. And I knew if I didn't act, I'd burn through my savings too fast, in seconds, basically. If you felt the grocery bill rising, the electric bill creeping up, and property taxes eating into your budget, you're not imagining it. Every year you delay adjusting your income, inflation is silently cutting your lifestyle. In 2024, the average retiree lost about $3,800 in purchasing power due to inflation. Over a decade, that's nearly $40,000 gone without spending a penny more. 4 strategies to beat inflation. 1. Invest in growth assets. Focus on stocks, real estate, or business models with the potential to increase in value faster than inflation is. Leverage automation for efficiency. Cut costs by automating bills, shopping, and even parts of your business. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Add a scalable side income. Choose something that can grow with demand. Digital products, online courses, affiliate marketing. Review and adjust quarterly. Prices change quickly. Adjusting your plan every 3 months keeps you ahead of the curve. The earlier you start, the less you have to scramble. Waiting even 12 months can mean paying 5 to 10% more for the same life you're doing now. Comment "grow" below, and I'll share the exact inflation-busting strategies I use myself. Inflation waits for no one, but you don't have to wait to beat it. Any questions? Send me an email.